Aman from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Shaykh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, so I want to ask about the hadith on rights of street. So the hadith says we should lower our gaze. So how can we do it as there are so many women passes by? And to say salam to those who pass by, what about those who are on bikes? Still we have to say salam to them? Barakallahu feekum.
I don't understand. What is the hadith you're referring to?
The rights of street. The hadith on rights of street.
Okay. So what is the
it
question?
says to lower our
To lower your gaze, if a woman comes, lower your gaze. What's the problem? Aman.
So, Sheikh, there are so many women, like when we are on the street, there are so many women. How can we do it?
Don't look? That's
Like-
very weird. What kind of question is this? Don't look, ya akhi. Or do you not expect me to say, oh, because there are so many women, you could just feast your eyes and whew, wow, and enjoy what you're seeing? Ya akhi, what kind of a question is this, yani? This is a logical thing to do. Things that draw you closer to hellfire, stay away from them. There is a woman coming, look the other way. Another woman is coming, look the other way. Look down until the women disappear from you. But in opposite to this, you say, it's too difficult, Sheikh. There's so many women. Okay, just feast your eyes and smile and do whatever you want. This is not acceptable.